The important thing here is to read the question very carefully and make sure you've answered what they've asked. So has he got enough grass seed? Well, what I'm going to do is I'm going to work out how much he can cover with the 12 boxes he's got so far. So with 12 boxes of grass seed and each box being able to cover 6 meters squared, I should be able to work out the maximum size of garden that he could cover as it stands at the moment. Okay, so 12 times by 6 meters squared means he can cover 72 meters squared. Okay. Now, of course, we need to work out the actual size of his garden, which is a semicircle. Well, we know the area of a circle is pi r squared, so we need to halve that because his garden is not a whole circle, it's a semicircle. So I'm going to write down the formula for a semicircle. It should be half pi r squared. Radius, of course, we know because we're given in the question at 7.2, I believe it is. Okay. So here we go, the calculation for the area of Ewan's actual garden, and for that I'm going to use the pi button on my calculator. So I need to use my calculator. And remember the 7.2 squared, Big Math says we have to do the 7.2 squared first. Okay? So you can see I typed 7.2 squared, times it by pi, times by 0.5. And it tells me the garden area is about 81.43 meters squared, approximately, which is why I've done the wavy equal signs. And that's accurate to 2 decimal places. So you can see that 81.43, the actual garden area, is bigger than the 72 meters squared that he can cover with his 12 boxes of grass seed. So therefore he hasn't got enough. He needs to buy another box. And we have to write that conclusion for the examiner. And so I recommend that you do the same. Write down the conclusion. Ewan does not have enough grass seed to cover his lawn. And there we have it. So let's have a quick look then, shall we, at the mark scheme. The examiner's report first. Please do pause and have a good read. These are useful, looking at other people's mistakes. And it seems that there's some students, even though they got all the maths right, they made the wrong conclusion, which is a great shame because you're going to lose the accuracy mark. Okay, so if you write down sort of an essay like I did, then I don't think you should be able to make a mistake, hopefully. Right, let's look at the marks. Yeah, they've done that, our semicircle area, and we've got no with the correct conclusion, and we've got the right sorts of numbers.